Big rock. Owned! So what I will do is this, just in case you fall through. You're good. Come on, that's... Dude, there's lots of ice there. Trust me. See? Look. Now you can see how thick it is on the edge. The idea is not to screw around. What are you doing?
Going around the other way. You can make a snow angel.
I did. Didn't you see me?
No, Dick, get my boat.
Snow angel.
No way that's you. That's someone way shorter than you.
Boat.
Turn around. You're
Yeah, I didn't do it. I was breaking some good trail there.
I was going to put on my plastic cracks back on, but I figured the heat that was supposed to be here today wouldn't be bad.
Wow! Oops!
Stock is 3 pounds, 10 ounces.
Something like that.
And mine, I waited before leaving the house.
Whoa! Deep snow out here for me, man. That looks cool. Oh, that doesn't. Come on, Chevy, come on! Oh, I'm out. Big rock. Owned!
It's not mine, I don't want to use it.
That's a tree.
Don't think about the metal, it's got good traction.
Oh, this one's got metal tracks, eh?
Yep.
That's cool.
I've got those.
Oh!
And then the plastic and the fluffy stuff.
Okay, yeah. That would make sense. It's cool to see a bunch of them, you know? It's definitely neat to see a group of blizzards, eh? Not something we've seen at this point.
Yeah, try calling me with your Chevy.
Try what?
It's not mine.
Who's up this hill?
What?
Nice. Rip's pretty good. And you're running 380s, eh, Aaron? Oh, really?
Damn it. No matter what I drive, it's always some kind of tree-like thing.
It's always upside down. Oh. Are you down in the dirt? Yeah, keep digging. Oh! That was awesome. Tough weeds. Oh!
No, it didn't blow a bean. Like that open field, I'll throw a 3-cell in there for you. So you can see it. But you can drive that one.
Hey, is that a wind? No, no, no. It's too funny because it so looks like it. I think we're braking here. Hey, is this a pit stop, yeah?
You got caught in my wheel.
Ah. Excellent. That's wicked. Cool, man. A little mess. Huh? Awesome.
You need to get yours running.
Yeah, for sure. That stuff.
50 kg motors. I'll just turn around those in 35. I'll get there.
I think it'd be too fast for that one. Even how I
Nice. Rip it up, eh? Oh.
Come back around again, Tyler. I just had an idea.
Sick.
Jump it. Yeah.
Nice. Jump it. Excellent. Nice. Sick. I'm stuck. Right away I get stuck. Look, I plugged up the road. I suck. I suck. Oh. There you go. Oh, I did it again.
Come on, Ed. That's it. No more bullshit.
You're sitting in the road.
I even thought about retrofitting each thing going on.
Hey,
Bet you we
looks
can find
cool.
their way up Rope Hill.
What?
Bet you we can find their way up
Dude,
Rope
I'm
Hill.
totally game for rope hill.
We can.
This is what it takes sometimes. You gotta help your trail friend. You become trail partners. Yep. Come on, woo! Done. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Woo!
Oh, that's right.
Come on. Let's see how we do this. Grab his hair.
What hair?
All right. Come on, Chevy. Stuck. Crap. Check it out.
Holy shit, he's up there.
Yeah, for sure.
It's a lot of work.
That's the alternate. You got to turn left and go around. It's a tricky line, even with a
Back
truck.
out.
What? Aren't you going for the top?
It's a long way to walk. I'm gonna have to walk all the way.
You can do it. The top of this has been modified now. You can drive right out of it.
At least I only flipped over like right there. That's not too bad.
Did you go and tell them to go and push over?
I don't think it's really easy to push these things over.
True, eh?
Hey,
Nice job,
get the
man.
Chevy
That was
up there.
good.
He did it. I definitely should have put my plastic back over.
Yeah?
So it'd be faster.
Oh. So what do they reckon the metal one's for?
Oh, they don't. They just.
They don't?
They're better for climbing and stuff like that.
Oh,
So
yeah.
if I had bigger motors, it'd be okay. But I'm all stock except for the I put a saber tooth in it.
Yeah.
So I can drive it with this.
That's nice. You found the stick, Kyle. There you go. Oh, that's sweet, man. That's a really nice job. Now, can I drive up it, Aaron? Probably not, eh? It's probably going to be too soft. Too soft and too deep. Oh, maybe not. Maybe you guys have matted it down enough. Come on, Chevy.
I'll get them stuck behind
Whoa, whoa, look out, I'll kick you right in the face. Hey, keep going, yeah.
Well, I can't see when you're in front of me.
That's all right, turn right, go, yeah, straight up.
Turn right, you mean left.
Straight, let me go, yeah.